Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I purchased recently wallet from Flipkart. This came in plastic covering and it is actually black in color, but I don't know why labeling is showing green color. It's okay, let's find out. So let's open the wallet and see how the quality is. So this is in black color. It has smooth glossy finishing and has magnetic closure. Oh, as you can see, it has a lot of card section for your debit credit card, extra other cards. Here they have given one zipper compartment. In that they have given two separate compartments. Oh yes, wallet is really spacious. You can fit in here a lot of your stuff, your all things, mobile phone. I'm closing this zipper compartment. This wallet is quite sturdy. All the compartment has so much space to fit your stuff. This one and this one. I'm closing this side and let's see how the back side is. Here you can secure your wallet with this magnetic closure. At the back of the wallet you will get one more zipper compartment. They have given very nice zipper quality as well. And this compartment is also looks nice, looks spacious. I can fit more other stuff right there. This is all about my wallet. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.